Good day to everyone, my name is William Hui and my part is part 4, which I will use the technical analysis to recommend the stock which are the best for us to do the investment. In the technical analysis, we will use Sharpe ratio and tenor ratio to form the conclusion. The conclusion from the both ratio indicate that we should invest in risk-free rate portfolio rather than in that particular investment. As we can see, the value of the both ratio are in negative value. This means the stock are under the performance compared to its benchmark. And next, I will talk about how to improve the technical analysis. To improve the technical analysis, for Sharpe and tenor ratio, we are better to calculate them as one whole portfolio rather than standalone share. Well, lastly, I will talk about the general suggestion for the whole analysis. In order to enhance the accuracy, I suggest that the analysis time period should be extended to longer time series such as 1 year analysis compared to 3-month analysis. That's all about our book. Thank you.